Hey, Robbie.
Yes, Dave. What can I help you find?
Please find heat shrink tubing.
Located in Cabinet A, at bin row 4 in column 5, with a description of heat shrink tubing.
Hey, Robbie.
Yes, Dave. What can I help you find?
Please find SD cards.
You will find SD cards in Cabinet A, at bin row 3 in column 8, with description of SD cards.
Hey, Robbie.
Yes, Dave. What can I help you find?
Please find jumpers.
One or more bins were located by matching one of the words in your search. The search word jumpers was matched to Cabinet C, at bin row 4 in column 1, with description of PC board jumpers. The search word jumpers was matched to Cabinet C, at bin row 4 in column 7, with description of 110-inch spacing jumpers.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dave.